The project manager uses several techniques to develop the project charter. I will walk through these techniques one by one. First, expert judgment. It is the most common technique used in managing a project. The term expert judgment does not imply that the one who is using is an expert, so can make judgment and decision oneself. This technique means that the one using it will approach the right people and groups, the experts, for consultation so as to make an informed decision. These experts include subject matter experts, project stakeholders, customers, users, sponsors, other departments and groups in the organization, external consultants, professional or technical associations, industry groups, and of course project management office. The expertise can be sought about time, cost, risks, technical options, organizational strategy, and project benefit measurement. The difference between the skill level of a junior and a senior project manager can be explained by expert judgment. Comparatively, a senior PM knows well which experts can help. Second technique, brainstorming. The technique will be more valuable if used on a creative project. Creative in this context means a project out of ordinary that requires creative thinking or approach. A group of stakeholders is invited in a room and encouraged to come up with creative ideas. Afterwards, the collected ideas are analyzed and used for decisions and inclusion in the project charter. Third technique, focus groups. A focus group is oriented towards a discussion of ideas rather than the identification of ideas. This is why only open-ended questions are asked and closed-ended questions are avoided. Examples of closed-ended questions are: is this idea good? Do you like it? How many people should be there? See, the answers are fixed among two or more choices. Examples of open-ended questions are: what do you think? What is your opinion? How it may affect? The answer is totally open and can take any shape. So the project manager will observe and understand the collective thinking of the stakeholder group. Fourth, interviews. These can be held to collect specific information. For example, defining the success criteria of the deliverables or exit criteria for the project, understanding concerns and identifying assumptions and constraints. PM will likely interview sponsor to understand expectations and overall project scope, as well as desired benefits. It is not uncommon to interview the sponsor multiple times to clear any doubts and misconceptions and also provide an update on the project charter development. The approval of the project charter will happen smoothly with a well-engaged sponsor. A project manager needs to be good at the following skills to be effective in using these techniques. Conflict management skills. The stakeholder may have disagreements when the work is ongoing to develop the project charter. The project manager will need to be good at resolving those conflicts so the work can continue without any hindrance. Facilitation skills. This skill refers to the ability to conduct brainstorming and focus group sessions effectively, ensuring that stakeholders are involved, stopping any tangent discussions, and redirecting the group to the discussion at hand. Then, meeting management. Good meeting management skills imply that meetings are effective and efficient. They are focused and both the interviewer and interviewee feel that the time was well spent and there is value that both get at the end. So the project manager uses multiple techniques effectively with various well-honed skills to develop the project charter.